Hello there, this video is for those of you who have thin, fine hair like I do and want to know a way to make it a bit thicker. Bed head crimper, the skinniest crimper, and I'm not gonna crimp my whole hair, but I'm gonna crimp my roots and you're gonna see how thick it makes my hair. It's such a good secret to making your hair thicker. So you're gonna wanna part your hair. I just take the top up, section it. This much hair. My hair has lots of static cling today. You're gonna wanna go right up close to your scalp and make a crimp, and then one more crimp. Here is the first crimp that I did. So much thicker, so much puffier. And now I'm gonna go on to these back pieces. You can make the pieces as close together or as far as apart as you want, but you basically just crimp it right next to your head and then one more down. Hope you can see that. It's the teeniest, tiniest crimp you've ever seen in your life. And look at how big this area is now. Well, compared to this side. This side's flat, and I even took less hair out here. Look at the difference. And you're putting it underneath your hair, so no one's gonna see it. I think that's too thick. So you go right next to the scalp. It's low, medium, high. I have it on medium. So see, look how big that got. Can you see it? This is great if you wear like the taped in extensions because your hair will be so thick, there'll be more for it to cling to. But look at that. Is that amazing? Many of you know that I have 4 sisters and 4 brothers. Yep, I'm the youngest of 9 kids. My mom, incredible hair. Then the first sister that was born was Mary, and she has so much hair. It's ridiculous. Next sister Joni has a pretty good amount of hair. Then Maria, and then Gina, and me, I didn't get any of it. Mary took all my hair. Check it out. Look how thick that is compared to how it was before. So you have all this fullness on the bottom to work with when you go ahead and do your style. So I'm gonna go all the way up with this. You see how thick that is? Because you're not damaging your hair because it's only on the roots. Look at that hair. Look at that. Crazy, isn't it? I did go all the way down and do the whole thing one time for New Year's Eve because it was a masquerade party and then I had my mask over it. And I'm serious, my hair was this big. That's what gave me the idea of doing my roots. I was like, how did my hair get so big? And it feels thick and just like my hair has never felt in my life. It's so cool. So those of you with thin hair, there is hope. But see, even with this laying over it, you can just see how much hair. I think it's the best kept secret ever. This thing was, I think, $20 on Amazon. I've also seen it at CVS. So here's that layer. I mean, I literally have like 10 times more hair. By the way, Kelly, thank you for this adorable top, TLM girl. It's where I work out, my bar class. The owner's such a sweetheart. She gave this to me this morning. I'll just go ahead and style it like I do, loose beach waves. Don't have my mirror behind me so I can't see what the heck I'm doing. I think you get the idea. It's really difficult to film down here in the garage. I don't have all my things. One day I'll have a studio again. All the lovely echoes in the garage and the alley that you get to hear. I do apologize. I just can't justify having an office or a studio right now because I'm not making any money. And when I had one in the house, I was absolutely thrashing it, the house, that room. And I came up with this great idea to put a formal dining room in. So Keith was in the room that I wanted to put the formal dining room in. That's where his office was. So I had to throw the poor guy out, so I gave him my studio. And I came to the garage, which is really the best place for me to create art because I can thrash it, and God knows I've thrashed it, which I feel bad about that too, but for filming and doing beauty things, it's just not the best place. I usually look at it in the mirror though first, but I don't have a back mirror. So I apologize if it looks horrible. At least you get the idea of how you can make your hair so much thicker. It's so exciting to me. When you're doing the loose beach waves, you always want your pieces to be vertical, not horizontal. So you want them to go this way, and you always want your curling iron to be angled down like this. And if you had a wand, you'd have it up here, but always you want the bottom pieces down, going down towards the floor. Once you get the iron in there, do some squats. Can you imagine like how long it takes to curl your hair? So what each one of these is like, could be like 10 squats. So you could do like probably 100 squats every time you curl your hair. That's a lot of squats, and it makes the time go by. Excited to do my hair because I have a date tonight. A handsome British man. I think we're gonna go to Ola. So cold. This is as cold as it ever gets. It's like 40-something degrees out there here today. I was doing my blowout on Friday. I was trying to show me this where you curl it and then you open it and you straighten the ends. Because I'm usually straightening the ends afterwards with my straightener iron, which I'm gonna have to go up and get. So I'm gonna spray these. Take my straightener and I'm gonna straighten these ends. I don't think I've quite gotten that curl and release that Tommy was trying to tell me about. I actually sort of like some of that crunch showing. I think it looks fun and funky. I don't like static cling. It's driving me crazy. So there you go. Look at all this thickness. Bedhead TG Crimper. I'll link it. Thanks for watching.